Hi everybody, Bob Sokoler, owner of the Sokoler team here at RE/MAX Properties East, and it is very possible you are thinking about selling your home right now. If so, you're probably feeling excited, maybe a little nervous, and possibly even sentimental. You know, moving is always going to be an emotional process, so let me offer some help. Here are 3 pieces of advice I always give to sellers. The first thing you got to do is price your home correctly. Set your price too high and you may turn buyers away. Set it too low and you're leaving money on the table. Now I can help you find the sweet spot based on the current market value. Next, keep your emotions in check. That can be difficult to do. If you've lived in this house for a while, you're probably going to feel attached to it. That can make negotiations harder. So lean on me for an objective point of view on how to proceed forward. Lastly, if you're going to want to stage your house, you may need to do some mass decluttering or take down personal items so when buyers walk in the front door, they're able to picture themselves in your home. If you want, I'm more than happy to come to your home for a free, no obligation analysis. We can review what items need to be moved or maybe fixed. It's also possible you don't have to do anything. We can also check pricing in the neighborhood. I bring my laptop computer with me and we look at comparables, and you can see how other buyers will see your home for its price, and we'll look at your neighbor's homes to see what it's sold for. And all you need to do to get this rolling is give me a call on my cell phone, 502-376-5483, or go to bobsellslouisville.com. And by the way, if you want more information about real estate, remember I have a radio show on 840 WHAS every Sunday morning from 8:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. and we take your questions. We give out lots of information, and if you want to know more about area real estate, feel free to join in. You can hear us on iHeartRadio by just doing a Google search for 840 WHAS on any browser, or you can use good old AM radio. It's if you still have an AM radio. It's 8:30 to 9 a.m. on 840 WHAS. Again, you want to get in contact with me, easy enough, 502-376-5483, or go to bobsellslouisville.com. I'm Bob Sokoler, owner of the Sokoler team, RE/MAX Properties East. Thank you for watching.